Porsche 911 is probably the greatest high-performance car ever built. They started in 1963. They're still building cars that are recognizable descendants today. The Porsche 911 is kind of interesting because it's a car that should have changed car design and didn't. They came out with the rear engine. There were people who tried to build passenger cars with rear engine, but they mostly failed. The only people who managed to get the whole rear engine thing right were the cousins, VW and Porsche. In 1999, at the end of the 20th century, they voted on the most important cars of the century. The Porsche 911 came fifth. It is a heritage car.